All right, people, I am doing a review about my LG self-cleaning oven. I used my self-cleaning feature for the first time since owning this for several years. But the reason why I'm doing this is because YouTube didn't have any reviews about what happens when you use your self-cleaning oven feature when you already have damage of aluminum foil at the bottom. Sorry, but I don't have any before photos because I didn't know I was going to do this. But because I didn't see anything on this particular damage before cleaning, I decided to do one myself. So I tried to get up as much of this as I could.
I tried getting it up using a rubber spatula.
It wasn't too much, but it was enough to give me pause. And as you can see, it's about 2 palm size areas of damage. It did an excellent job on cleaning the food. There was a lot of spillage right here and in the back, and all of that was cremated, turned to dust. And I was frightened that aluminum that is left was going to spread or, I don't know, catch fire. I didn't know what was going to happen, but I risked it. I set the self-cleaning feature on 2 hours, which is the lowest number that you could do. So that's what I did, and it turned out pretty good. I will definitely use it again. I hate that I waited so long to use the feature because I really like it. So anyway, that's the damage. The damage of the foil looks the same as it did before I set the self-cleaning feature up to clean the food that was at the bottom. So it didn't spread, it didn't make it look any worse, and it didn't help it look any better either, as you can see. But there you go. Now finally, there will be a LG review on self-cleaning your oven that has aluminum foil at the bottom and what happens. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.